Ready to learn how to add HIPAA-compliant forms to your WordPress page with HIPAAtizer? Let's get started. Go to your WordPress account and log in, or create an account if you don't have one. On the left-hand side of your screen, click the Plugins tab. Then press Add New Plugin. Now go to the top right of your screen and type in HIPAAtizer in the search bar. Press the Install Now button located on the right corner of the HIPAAtizer plugin. Then click Activate. You will now see the HIPAAtizer plugin located in the menu on the left. Once inside the plugin, log in or select I want to create a new account. You have the choice between two different accounts: a free sandbox account that is always free and an account for covered entities that is free for 30 days and can be switched to HIPAA compliance mode. Now that you have your account set up, click Create Form on the top right of your screen. You will be given 4 options: Create from scratch, Select from templates or existing forms, Import form from a web page, and Convert paper form to an online form. We will select the second option. Select General and choose a template. We will choose Contact Us form as an example. You are now inside the form builder. You can see the template layout including name, email, subject, and message. On the left-hand side, you can see the form builder drag and drop components. To add a component to your form, select and drag it over into your desired row. We will add a phone number as an example. Once a component is added, you will see a bar pop up on the right-hand side where you can edit the input and add any specific edits you would like. We will edit the name of the component to phone number and select the toggle Make Required, then press Save Changes. There are more advanced styling options on the left-hand side that can be utilized by clicking the Styling tab next to the Components section. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will do just a simple overview. In this section, you can select between creating a theme, generating a theme, and adding both CSS presets as well as custom CSS. Note that you can edit all HIPAAtizer templates according to your requirements. Once you are happy with the layout of your form, go to the top right and press the Preview toggle. After previewing your layout, press Save. You will be prompted to name and save your form. You now have the option to Publish Later or Publish Now. It is important to remember, in order to access your form to add to WordPress, you will need to have your form published. You now have 3 options to share your form: Link, QR code, and Integrate/Embed form. Select the Integrate/Embed form option. There are many different platforms that are compatible with HIPAAtizer. For embedding with WordPress, we will select the WordPress logo. Here are step-by-step directions on how to add your form. As Step 1 indicates, make sure you have your HIPAAtizer plugin installed prior. We did this at the beginning. There are 2 different ways to add your form into WordPress. We will show both. Copy the shortcode that is linked at the bottom of the steps. We will use this in the second option. Now, go back to your WordPress page and locate or create the page you would like to add this form. Once on your page, find where you want the form and press the plus icon that says Add Block. Type in HIPAA form in the search bar. You will see a drop-down menu that has your saved and published form. Select your form. Go to the top right of your page and press Save as a draft. You will then be prompted to preview it with a pop-up on the bottom left-hand side. The second way to embed your form is by adding the shortcode we copied earlier. Go back to your WordPress page and select the blue plus button on the top left. In the search bar, type in shortcode. Paste the shortcode in the input area. Utilizing the shortcode method is ideal for those who have a background in coding, as you will have to adjust the layout of the form this way as well. You can now save and preview how the form looks. Once you are happy with the added form, you are free to publish. If you have a Word form and need help to create a HIPAA-compliant form, upload it to HIPAAtizer, and they will convert one form for free. Go to www.hipaatizer.com. You will see Upload Your Form at the top of the page.